Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipe and ideas of things where you can make at home. Anyway, today we just make a simple vegetarian dish, and also vegan can have it, is Courgette spaghetti. Fried up, cooked down in a tomato sauce, amazing, and I know you guys will love it. Thank you so much for tuning in with the Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. See ya. Lovely and nice. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, today we're gonna take you to a next level where the fans them may, you know what I mean, say Chef Ricardo, yes, that's what you're talking about. Anyway, today we're gonna do some Courgette spaghetti. Basically, you know what I mean, they got the machine where you can buy at the supermarket, or you can buy at the supermarket, or you can, you know what I mean, make yourself some vegetable spaghetti. And this is the way it look. This is the Courgette. Well, let's take out a veg to show the fans them exactly what I'm talking about. This is the way how the Courgette look like. So basically, you got the machine, the pasta machine, which you put it down in it, twine it around, and it come out just like this. So today we're gonna make you a lovely fried up Courgette spaghetti, and as I said, this one vegan can have it, and also the vegetarian them stand out very high today with this recipe. So basically right here I have roughly about 3 Courgette which I did done, but basically I bought the one in the pack which I already done. So roughly about 3 spaghetti. You can get this in the supermarket to buy. We got some carrot, we got right here, we got spring onion, fresh thyme, white onion, and mixed peppers, and some garlic, and a tin of chopped tomato sauce right here, which is gonna give it a lot of flavor and color. So basically we're gonna fry up all of these ingredients, and I know you guys will love it. So enjoy the recipe, guys. So basically I have some vegan oil which I've been using over the last couple of days, and I'm gonna pop roughly about 2 tablespoons of it inside of my frying pan right here, and we're gonna do a lovely stir fry up. So guys, I know you're gonna love this one because it's just something new on the menu. First of all, what we're going to do is garlic, thyme, and also we got the nice lovely carrot, and mixed pepper and white onion. So basically we're just gonna be frying up these for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. But we're gonna add some ingredients to it just to give it a little bit of flavor and taste. So this is the way we're gonna be started off with it now, guys, just like this. The first thing is mixed herbs, and a little bit of pepper. This is some vegetable season. Then the best thing we need to do next now is to give it a lovely stir. As you can see, all that looking lovely and nice. Then we're gonna add the Courgette spaghetti to it and stir fry everything together. So you will see that lovely color. And now that cook for about 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're going to do now is add some tomato sauce, chopped tomato to it. Roughly about half cans. Give it some color. Lovely and nice. So allow that for another 5 to 6 more minutes and that's good to go. Nice and lovely. So as you can see guys, look at that. Beautiful and really nice. So this is the Courgette spaghetti right here. And this is a vegetarian style we are talking about. So anyway, this is finished. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to share it and make you guys see exactly what I am talking about. Really lovely and nice. So hopefully guys will just enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. We got a lot more recipe and ideas coming out. And as you can see, this one is vegetarian style. The vegan can have it. No salt. Nothing inside of it. Only thing I put in it is some vegetable seasoning, which you can get vegetable seasoning to buy anywhere at the local supermarket shop or anywhere on the high street you can get it to buy. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming out for you. Thank you so much. We're gonna share it out now. Really nice and lovely. I just share it out guys. As you can see, Courgette spaghetti vegetarian dish. Hopefully guys like the recipe and please subscribe my channel. Leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from the team. Bye bye.